Good evening, students. Today we start the new lesson of chemistry. Is the changes around us. Is the fifth lesson. Okay, our fourth lesson is almost complete. Our questions answer also you write it. Okay, so today we start the next lesson. Changes around us. So see in this lesson we have to learn about different types of changes. In our daily life, there are a number of the changes we observe. Okay, so these types of the changes we have to discuss in this lesson. Then, characteristics of physical and chemical changes. There characters of the physical and chemical change also we have to study it in lesson. So again, their categorization of changes and changes involving energy. The what type of energy is involved in the changes is also studied in this lesson. See, on this page you can observe that here some pictures are given. So here in the first picture, the ice melt to form a water. It's also one type of change. In our daily life, we observe there are different changes. Some changes we observe in our day-to-day lives. So the world around us is constantly changing. Okay? हमारे environment में different changes होते रहते. Okay? So the world around us is constantly changing. Like when children grow up to become adult. Children grow up to become adult. When baby born, then this children's after some month or some years they become grow. Okay, and lastly they become adults. So it's also one type of change. जैसे कि हमारी हाइट बढ़ती है. ओके ओके और हमारा एज भी बढ़ता है. सो इट्स अ वन टाइप ऑफ changes. Season changes. Season, you know, there are the three seasons: summer, winter, or rainy seasons. So these seasons also changes after some month is also one type of the change. Iron change into rust. When iron come in contact with water and air, then it change into rust. So there are the so many changes in our life. So in this picture, see, when ice melt to form the water. Ice is in a solid form, but when it melt, then it change into water. Okay, means in the liquid form. So it's also one change. Day changes into night. Daily, the day hours change into night and night change into day. It's also one type of change. Paper burn to form ash. When we burn the paper, then it change into ash. So these are the some changes in our life. So these changes, in this chapter we will discuss the different types of changes that occurs around us. So these changes that occurs in the world is divided into different categories. ये changes divide किए गए different categories. Okay, so see which are these categories. See, reversible change, irreversible change. Okay, periodic change, non-periodic change, desirable change, undesirable change, physical change and chemical change. These are changes are categorized like that. So in this chapter we discuss these changes one by one. Okay, so turn page. See, reversible and irreversible change. First, reversible and irreversible change. some changes are reversible, that is they can be reversed. For example, melting of ice is a reversible change. Freezing the water which is obtained when ice melt will again give us ice. Evaporation of water is also reversible change. See, reversible change. Reversible change means what? The change that can be reversed. जो चेंज रिवर्स हो सकता है उसको कैसे क्या कहते हैं? रिवर्सिबल चेंज. एग्जाम्पल क्या है? सी मेल्टिंग ऑफ आइस. When ice is melt, it change into water. Okay, it change into water. But what happened when you freeze this water? When you freeze this water, it change into again ice. Means ice can convert into water and water can convert into ice. It is the reversible change. Okay, evaporation of water is also reversible change. Evaporation का example भी क्या है? Reversible change है. Okay, so the change that can be reversed is called reversible change. See the next paragraph. Some changes are irreversible. कुछ चेंजेस ऐसे रहते हैं कि वो irreversible रहते हैं. Means they cannot be reversed. They cannot be reversed. or reverse नहीं हो सकती. It's not possible to reverse it. So see, like examples, your growth from infant cannot be put into reverse. जैसे कि स्मॉल बेबी ग्रोथ होती है स्मॉल बेबी की. ओके, वो कुछ दिनों बाद अडल्ट होते हैं. बट ऐसा है कि आपने देखा है कभी अडल्ट कैन अगेन change into baby? It's not possible. So it is a irreversible change. When piece of paper is burned, the original piece of paper cannot be recovered. When you burn the piece of paper, then what happened? It changed into ash. But we cannot convert the ash into paper. Means it is irreversible. They cannot be reversed. So this change is the irreversible. Do you understood that? Okay. So the change is reversible. Before burning any piece of paper, we must be sure that there is nothing written on it that we may require later. Burning of wood, frying an egg to make an omelette, hatching of chick from egg are the some other example of irreversible. Other example कौन कौन से? Burning of wood, it's also irreversible change. ऐसा होता है कि वुड हमने एक बार बर्न कर दिया, उसकी ऐश को अगर कन्वर्ट करते हैं वुड में? नो, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. फ्राइंग एग टू मेक ऑमलेट, वी मेक द ऑमलेट फ्रॉम द एग but we can't convert omelette into again the egg. So it's a irreversible change. Hatching of chick from eggs. See, hatching of chick from eggs is also irreversible. एग में से चिक बाहर निकलते हैं. ओके, बट ऐसे कि अगेन एग में जाके बैठेंगे? नो, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. सो इट इज अ irreversible changes. Okay, so it is the one type of change, reversible and irreversible change. Next, periodic and non-periodic change. Periodic and non-periodic change. So it is related to the time. Okay, this changes is related to the time. Periodic and non-periodic change that repeat. See, changes that repeat themselves after fixed interval of time are called periodic change. Changes that repeat themselves after fixed interval of time मीन्स ऐसा चेंज जो फिक्स इंटरवल टाइम के बाद रिपीट होता है उसको क्या कहते हैं? पीरियोडिक चेंज. चेंज दैट रिपीट देमसेल्फ आफ्टर फिक्स इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम. लाइक इन योर स्कूल. अभी तो स्कूल बंद है, बट व्हेन आवर स्कूल इज open na, then you know you have a different period. Half after half hour the next period will start. Okay, means exact, their fixed time is exact. Okay, their time is fixed. हाफ आवर के बाद आपका नेक्स्ट पीरियड स्टार्ट होता है. ओके, अगेन आफ्टर हाफ आवर द नेक्स्ट पीरियड इज स्टार्ट. सो लाइक दैट दिस चेंजेस इज रिपीट after fixed interval of time is called periodic changes. Occurrence of day and night. Occurrence of day and night, जैसे कि डे एंड नाइट है. डे एंड नाइट का टाइम कैसा रहता है, फिक्स रहता है. ओके, सो इट्स ऑल्सो पीरियोडिक चेंजेस. ऐसा है कि डे के टाइम नाइट होगा और नाइट के टाइम डे होगा? नो. सो इट इज रिपीटेड आफ्टर फिक्स टाइम. इट इज अ पीरियोडिक चेंजेस. Changes that do not repeat themselves. That changes that do not repeat themselves after a fixed interval of time are called non-periodic change. ऐसा चेंज जो फिक्स इंटरवल टाइम के बाद रिपीट नहीं होता उसको क्या कहते हैं? नॉन पीरियोडिक चेंज. द चेंजिंग शेप ऑफ क्लाउड डू नॉट फॉलो एनी पैटर्न. Shape of cloud or change, shape of clouds are changes. Okay, so these are a non-periodic change. Eruption of volcanoes is also one type of change. So these eruption of volcanoes, why is the non-periodic changes? Because ऐसा है क्या, कुछ अभी अगर वोल्केनो हुआ है तो आफ्टर फिक्स 1 ईयर बाद फिर से होगा? नो. Okay, so that, like, so it is a non-periodic change. Landslides also non-periodic change. Hurricanes. Okay, these are the non-periodic changes. Desirable. See, next changes, desirable and undesirable change. Changes that are useful to us. Desirable and undesirable change is related to their uses. कौन सा चेंज हमारे लिए यूज़फुल है और हार्मफुल है, इस पे डिपेंड है डिज़ायरेबल एंड अनडिज़ायरेबल चेंजेस. कुछ चेंजेस ऐसे रहते हैं जो हमें यूज़फुल रहते हैं, कुछ ऐसे होते कि जो हार्मफुल्स रहते हैं. सो दीज आर द डिज़ायरेबल एंड अनडिज़ायरेबल चेंज. सी, फर्स्ट, चेंजेस दैट आर यूज़फुल टू अस आर कॉल्ड डिज़ायरेबल चेंज. ऐसा चेंज जो हमारे लिए यूज़फुल रहता है, उसका कुछ हमें यूज़ होता है, उसको क्या कहते हैं? डिज़ायरेबल चेंज. एग्जाम्पल, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कर्ड फ्रॉम मिल्क एंड कुकिंग ऑफ फूड आर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ डिज़ायरेबल चेंज. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कर्ड फ्रॉम मिल्क, जैसे कि मिल्क कन्वर्ट इनटू कर्ड. So curd is a desirable change. Why? Because we use it for eating purpose. Okay, हम उसको खाते हैं. Okay, so it's a desirable change. Cooking of food. Cooking of food is a desirable change. When we make any vegetables, जैसे कि हमने कुछ वेजिटेबल्स डिश बनाई है. Okay, suppose from vegetables we make the different dishes. वो डिश कैसे रहती है? कुकिंग ऑफ फूड इज ऑल्सो डिज़ायरेबल चेंजेस. ओके, सो इट इज़ द डिज़ायरेबल चेंज बिकॉज इट इज़ यूजफुल फॉर अस. चेंजेस दैट आर हार्मफुल टू अस. चेंजेस दैट आर हार्मफुल टू अस आर कॉल्ड नॉन डिज़ायरेबल चेंज. ऐसा चेंज जो हार्मफुल रहता है वो कैसा रहता है? नॉन डिज़ायरेबल चेंज. हमें उसके लिए हार्मफुल रहता है हमारे लिए. जैसे कि अर्थक्वेक है, फ्लूड से, हरिकेन से, ये कैसे रहते हैं? हार्मफुल रहते हैं लिविंग थिंग के लिए. ओके, दिस द अनडिज़ायरेबल चेंजेस. सो मोस्ट ऑफ अस would consider desirable change that occur as we grow from infant to adult. But what about the changes thereafter? उसके बाद के changes जो होते हैं उसका क्या है? So उसके बारे में हम नेक्स्ट पीरियड में लर्न करेंगे. ओके, सो नाउ अप टू दैट point like a reversible, periodic, and desirable and undesirable changes. You have to read it at home. Okay, thank you.